Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making this delicious egg chutney pattice. This recipe turned out so delicious and crispy. And these are the ingredients that I used. I will also list them in the description box below. We will start by making the chutney. Add 1 cup of shredded coconut, 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch of chopped ginger, green chilies, lime juice or lemon juice, cumin seeds, coriander leaves, mint leaves, also called pudina in Hindi, salt to taste. Now we are ready to blend all of these together. Our delicious and tasty chutney is now ready. We will pour it into a bowl. And then we will start making the potato covering for the egg patties. I am going to start by grating the boiled potatoes. You could also mash the potatoes. The potato will make the covering for the egg patties and give it a really good texture, just like hash brown or fries. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we will add breadcrumbs. I have added the oregano and parsley flakes to these breadcrumbs. Now we will mix all of this together. The potato dough for the egg patties covering is ready. Now we will cut boiled eggs into halves. We will also add a pinch of salt to 2 raw eggs and whisk the eggs together with the salt. We will be using this liquid egg as the binder for our egg patties while frying it. Now we will set this aside and start making our egg patties. For the covering of the egg patties, take a little ball of the potato dough. Add a little oil on the potato dough and add a little chutney on top of the potato dough. Then place half of the boiled egg and cover it with another potato dough patty. Squeeze the 2 patties together along with the egg and chutney inside the patty so that we end up with this round egg patties. In a similar fashion, we will make the rest of the egg patties. It really helps to use olive oil to squeeze the 2 patties together and blend them together into a ball. Now our egg patties is ready to be fried. In order to fry the egg patties, submerge the egg patties into the raw liquid eggs and then roll it into the breadcrumbs. And finally, we will drop it into the oil that is already hot in our case. We will fry the egg patties until it is golden brown on both the sides, and then our egg patties will be completely ready. This is almost like frying hash browns in the oil but with egg and chutney inside the hash browns. So wait a minute, you're telling me that egg patties is hash brown, chutney and egg all in one? If that doesn't sound like a complete delicious breakfast, I don't know what else would. Our egg patties is now golden brown on both the sides and it is ready to be served. It looks so delicious and crispy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and let me know if you will be trying it as well. Thank you for your lovely comments, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel so that together we can get spiced and thrive in tasty curry heaven. Thank you for watching. Until next time.